Another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We
G'day everyone, we just got out of the car. We're actually on Phillip Island in Cowes, and that's the Cowes beach behind us. Over there, Mum's got Steve, walking Steve, and it's a cold day, but the sun sort of just poked out for a little bit a few minutes ago, but it's pretty overcast. And we were at Cape Woolamai before, and it was very windy, so I actually considered bringing in my drone with us, but I saw the wind was going to be a bit gusty and I thought, no, I'm not going to risk it on the chance that it might blow in the ocean.
Sitting by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the second floor, and I feel okay. We just made it through, and I love the way I feel for you. Baby, you make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Oh yeah. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. We never get it right, but it still feels right. We never get it right, but somehow it feels right. That's how I feel about you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Oh yeah, still feels right. 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 Oh yeah.
Okay. Here I am. There's Mum walking Steve. Oh, come on, Steve. Come on. Come on. Steve wants to inspect everything. Now, this pier used to be wooden for a long time. This section here, they've gone over it with bitumen, which is good. Don't know how long since they've done that, but yes, memories of people. I'm just saying in the background it's cold here, yeah, because it's a little bit cold. There you go, a few people fishing. But yeah, there you go, we're on the wooden section now, but the whole pier used to be wood all the way down there, but they've made it into like a little road, all bitumen. Yeah, this is the original section. That might be the original section too there, but they've gone over it, resurfaced it. Like I said, I fished here many years ago. There you go, there's people down there fishing. Don't want to get too close to the edge. Not that I'm worried I'm going to fall in, but Steve follows me and I'm worried he's going to fall in.
I'm a mess. No more you.
And I go home. You said things could only get better. I needed more than ever. They don't. How can I believe?